YouTube, what's poppin'? Retro family, retro gang. This your boy Retro Rick for Retro Rick and Maddie's Kids coming back at you in the shoebox. Been on a long hiatus. I'm back. I had to drop off kids in Virginia. The other two is in New York. I'm back at you to keep hitting y'all over the head with this heat and content. Sorry for the wait. Before I do all that, hit the like button, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. We appreciate it here on this channel. I got to shout out the Retro family and the Retro gang that's been holding me down. Hold up, let's get this right. Sneaker Mom 1982, I appreciate you, miss. We got, who else we got? 253, everybody's on IG, 253. Desi O'Creed, man, Dre Day Kicks, Hardcore Comedy, Fly Them Most, Know Your Souls, that's my guy to leave all the dope, the pictures up of the shoes. Know Your Souls, shout out to that, my guy there. Man, come on, Savage Chris, you know what's going on, Savage Chris, 626. Don't forget my guy Kyle 42. Man, I want to make sure I don't want to forget nobody. Hey, the original winner of the lottery, the OG, Chicky Boy, 007. Double salute, man. You know what's going on. Speaking of double salute, some of the YouTubers out there showing me love. Mr. Skinny, shout out to you. Miss LaShawn Terry, shout out to you. T Ward. Of course, my guy Mike Rich Nation, y'all stand up. That's out the way. Let's hop right into this video, fam. I've been gone for a while. I've been ordering merch from my guy Money Fresh Clothing. That's why I didn't shout him out, because y'all know what's going on with my guy Money Fresh Clothing. If y'all don't, we have a coupon. 20% off on all merch. If you in the retro game at checkout, you get 20% off. Let me show you some of my items that I picked up to go with some of my shoes. So I'm going to show you some merch to go with the shoes that I got. And y'all can kind of see what's going on. But once again, man, shout out to my guy Money Fresh Clothing. We're going to do it like this. This first shirt I'm going to show you. This is my wife's shirt. She got this from Ross. Just plug in Ross real quick. $7.99. Poetic Justice shirt. Got Tupac on it. Okay. Speaking of Pac, I got this one from Money Fresh Clothing. Come on, man. Bishop. I hope everybody's seeing that. So I got this to go with one of my OG classic shoes, which is my Breads, my 2013 Breads. So now y'all can kind of see what's going on. Okay. That's out the way, gang. That's that Bishop. The Bishop kind of hot now. I see you. Gotta go ahead and hit you with my guy Tony Montana, Scarface. Sheesh. Got this to go with the homage to home. Kind of see the theme on this. Got a Scarface shirt to go with this. Real good material too. I will say that real good quality shirts. Okay, we got that one. You know what? Shout out to this is Miss Lady that I got. She won't let me say her name. I was in Virginia dropping off the kids. I went to my dad's church and the lady gave me this shirt, man. I just had to plug her real quick. She on Facebook. You know who you are. If you're watching this video on YouTube, I told you I was gonna put your shirt up. I love it. I wore these with my OG, the Jordan 1s, man, the Gatorades, the Cyber Monday. Okay. So we got that out the way. Now, I got this right here. Come on, man. Pablo, Money Fresh, you snap with this one. Good quality. Got the V-neck. I got to go with, shout out to the Raptors too, man. The NBA champs. I got to go with the Raptors. End up keeping this pair with the OVO. Got rid of the other pair. Y'all kind of see the color scheme, that purple popping with this. Once again, Money Fresh Clothing, man. So look, real quick, I did a video live. I kind of wanted people seeing it on the live feed, but I got to do it right. I have to do it justice. Hold up, man. If you don't know, it's one of one. Matter of fact, if I do that, let me show you the box. So y'all can know what's going on. Size 12. This is out of the noise canceling pack. I'm getting into the box. Why? My guy drew on the box. Bear with me. This is what we got going on. I asked him basically to give me my cities. This was before the New York to Paris and LA to Chicago thing. Trust me, this was thought of way before then. I went Atlanta to Chicago. So what I did was I asked them for give me the city, Atlanta, the backdrop. I hope everybody's seeing this. Hey, I gave them Maddie colorways, you know, the stuff Maddie likes. That's where the balloons come in and that. This is the daytime in Atlanta. Kind of hit you with that off-white or that blue. You got purple. Man, hold up, man. Bear with me, gang. One of one. I'm going to drop this information, too. No worries. This shoe was all white. Like the tongue. This whole shoe was white. So hit me with these dope colors. That's Atlanta. Come on, man. Chicago, nighttime. These my colors, my green, got red, got the gray. Come on, man. He even put my old school right there in the city. Sears Tower, the whole line. Well, this way he killed me at. See that? Bottom, whole bottom. Got the Soul Protect on it. That one says Retro Rick. The other one says Maddie's Kicks. Come on, man. One of one. Proud to have this at the shoebox. I had to do it over again. He even put the laces in, the 3M laces. Then he put the bullets in the laces. If you know about the noise canceling pack, it was supposed to shoot. It was all white. You're supposed to design yourself. This had the check on it like this. He took the check off so he can do the whole city. Sheesh! Come on now, gang. Hey, shout out to that guy. Matter of fact, when I order from him, excuse me for bending down, y'all. When I order from him, he sent me a thank you card. It's my guy info right here. Follow that guy. Exclusively me. You see that? Tell him Retro sent you. Come on, man. He'll get you right. He'll make your dreams come true. I really just told him, like, I did not know about that thing, and he made it come true. Follow that guy, man. So that's out the way. So you know I got to hit y'all with a little heat. I've been gone for a while. Next shoe, it's been out. I did this on IG, but not for the tool. It was on IG. We was tripping around on the feed live one day. So I put out a little heat. These are the sacais. And I got this pair. You don't even want to know, gang. I got this pair for $128. I got 15% off, even though it was on the sneaker app. I ordered this maybe 2 weeks ago. It took maybe 5-6 days to get to me. I complained about that, and then they put the wrong shipping address on there. I complained about that. They tried to give me a coupon real quick. They tried to give your boy a coupon for 15% off of Nike.com. I know better. You cannot use that coupon on the sneaker app launcher shoes. So I said, better yet, just give me 50% off that purchase. She did that. Hey, I salute you, Nike. You did what you're supposed to do. And if you don't, you know I'm on you. Let's go unbox these, man. Come on, man. This is a shoe channel. An official give back channel. Come on, these sacai. I love the double check. 2 checks on everything. Got the yellow, double laces, even the tongues, man. 1 tongue. Yeesh. Got another tongue. Inside you got Nike, man. Even the heels. Come on, man. And it's good quality leather. No cap. I think the resale value for this shoe right now is maybe like $240, $250. This is a size 12. So I paid $128 for it. Already doing good. Let me show you the other one. You do get laces. You know how your boy feel about laces. They doubled up on the laces. So that's a good look. Then you got the paper too as well. Trying to let you know what's going on. Sheesh. Like I said, look, your boy been gone for a while. It's going to be a crazy summer. If you have not subbed up, I'm telling you now, go on sub up. It's going to be 100 days of heat. I'm going to keep hitting y'all over the head with this heat and content as promised. I got a dope giveaway on the way. The next video going to explain everything. Hey, they put the gag order on me. They ain't going to let your boy talk. But you don't want to miss this one. Sub up. Hey, y'all do me a favor, man. Tell a friend and tell a friend. You know what I say, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. We out.